Now let's do something practical. Let's run the KiCad software. Now we are going to create new project. Go to File, click New Project, and I am saving my files on desktop and name the file as voltage converter and breadboard interface. After writing the file name, click Save. Now files have been created with the name we just entered. Two files are created. The first one is PCB file, the second one is schematic file. You can also see this file in the folder which we have now created. These are the files which we have created. In order to create schematic, simply click on the schematic editor or double click this schematic file. I am going to click schematic editor. This is the front interface of our schematic editor, and this red lined sheet is our drawing sheet where we are going to add symbols. In order to add symbol into the this drawing sheet, you can click on add symbol. Clicking add symbol will load all the symbols that are provided by the KiCad. These are all the list of symbols that are provided by the KiCad. Now, in order to convert 12 volt into 5 volt, we need some regulator. I have chosen 7805 regulator to convert 12 volt into 5 volt. Double click on this, you can add regulator into your drawing sheet. By again clicking on the sheet, the symbol will leave the cursor, which means that symbol has been added to the sheet. As there is a small add symbol icon with the cursor, which means if I again click on the sheet, the add symbol window will pop up. Again, now I want a regulator for 3.3 volt. I have chosen AZ11117-3.3 volt to convert 12 volt into 3 volt. Highlight this part number and click OK. In this way, you can also add symbol to your drawing sheet. Again, click on the sheet. The symbol is added into your drawing sheet. Similarly, all other parts are included into the drawing sheet. Now, in order to input 12 volt into this circuit, we should add some connector. I am going to use barrel jack in order to input 12 volt into this circuit. In the search bar, I write barrel and it appeared barrel jack here. Double click on this, click on the sheet and symbol is added into the schematic. Again click on this. We need to add capacitor at the input and output of both the regulators. So I write here capacitors. I choose C small, click on the sheet and capacitor is added. Again click on the sheet and choose C small, add on the input of 3.3 volt regulator. The other way is I don't want to add, click on the add symbol, search and add again into the sheet. The simplest way, if you once have placed the symbol, highlight the symbol, hit Ctrl C and Control V, and the symbol is copy, and again click on the sheet, the symbol is added into your drawing sheet. Again Control V, another symbol is added here. Similarly, I want to add some resistors. There I can choose resistors, double click on this and choose the resistor, copy this resistor, Control C, Control V, and need two LEDs in order to get an indication that the voltages are present. Double click on this LED, add here. You can again make a copy of this LED, Control C, Control V, add in the 3.3 section. Now we want to add connectors. For connector, you can choose any, but I am going to choose 2x2 connector. Double click and oh, unfortunately I clicked thrice. That's why it's added here. So in order to move from here, either you can click on this and move here. The other method is you hover on this connector on the symbol, hit M, which means move, then you can move easily. So I am placing this component symbol here. I want another connector to be at the output of 3.3 volt regulator. Simply highlight it, Control C, Control V, and that's it. Place this component in your sheet. So most of the components that we require in this project are added on the schematic. Later we will be rearranging these components and connecting them with the help of wires.